Osper manufacturing dry powder injections situated at Himachal Baddi, and we produce quality medicine. That's it, nothing else.
What's the specialty of your products? Exactly what is the product?
All these are antibiotic, and this is in highly critical. It's a critical care medicine and used in critical care. We are producing quality medicine. That's why they are buying, and it's a need. Injection is very specialization. We are WHO GMP. We are exporting in so many countries like Cambodia, Pakistan, Afghanistan, and Myanmar, and Russia. We are doing third party for Ajanta Pharma, Dr. Morphin, Comet, Chemicals, then Chandra Bhagat, and Ozone Pharma is there. This is a good platform. Here we found so many buyers, and we customers who customer meet, and already we have customer over there, and this is the platform where we personally meet them. This will grow our business and our relations with them.